the birds. There are approximately 300 birds of prey species around the world. That's with eagles, falcons, rattlers, kites, hawks, and many more. Vultures include and also owls. They can live generally in Australia and in different climates. They can also live 15 to 20 years in Malaysia, Southeast Asia, Central Africa, Central and South America. We're going to bring out one of our parrots. It's a green-cheeked conure from Australia. They can live generally 20 to 30 years in the wild. Please don't touch him. Only looking. Alright? If he lands on your head, don't worry, he's just going to make a bird's nest. Alright, there we go. So this is young Jerry. From the Philippines to Indonesia down to Australia. The general lifespan for these little guys is around about 60 years in the wild. Good afternoon, Jimmy. He's always awkward. Eddie Ray's changing his name, so his name's not Jimmy. So what is your name?
Murdy.
Wow, Murdy, that's a nice name, I think. So your name's Murdy? Oh my goodness, that's the other guys also have a chance. Thank you, Murdy. All right, we'll now proceed with the main presentation. Thank you.
All right, marhaba, hello everybody. Now we'll start the main presentation. Kids should be seated, الأطفال جالسين. Adults roll a video, take a photo. But no flashlight. صوروا فيديو صور بدون ضوء الفلاش. يلا دي جي. Golden Basin from Asia. Her name is Jackie. Jackie is 4 years old. She's a female. She's famous in China. The male is colorful. هاي أصدقائي الجولدن بيسن من آسيا مشهورة بالصين. القطة باللون البني والذكر بألوان مختلفة دائما. ذكر من أجمل الطيور بالعالم في معنى الكلمة. Now, after Jackie, let's sing again the Sanconians. One more time. Asafir Shams, Tom, Jerry, Chiku, South America. Hello, my friends. My name is Firas, the MC of the presentation. My partner, the master, the DJ Sam. Now, after the Sanconians, they go in. We will meet the blue yellow macaws, Hiba and Adele. Hello, Hiba. Hello, Adele. ثالث أكبر مكاو بالعالم. Third largest macaws. Hey, Hiba, how are you? Adele, how are you? Adele said we go back to the reception. I know. By the way, the blue yellow macaw is the largest, third largest macaw. But the largest one is only blue, dark blue. Thank you, Hiba Adele. Shukran. Now, we will meet also a macaw and she have a message to you. And the Risali Ilkon. Let's welcome Jane with awesome trainer. Maya. W-E-L-C-O. Raise applause if you're up from all of you. Thank you, Maria. Thank you, Jane. Pink Kalakakatu with Hansel. African parrots coming with Maria. And I like some of Maria. No chance. Style. Alright, thank you for your hands. Mariam has surprise to show us how smart is the African parrot, ذكاء البارتس. Because they eat fruits, بياكلوا فواكه. Circle أصفر yellow, potassium mouse banana, mango. Red green أخضر avocado and green apple. Red أحمر strawberry فراولة, red apple. Last one blue أزرق نيلة. It's blueberry, the most expensive fruit ever. Kids, always clean your mess like this. We can recycle, reduce and reuse. We can keep the planet clean. أطفال دائما نطلب هذه الطريقة بنعمل إعادة تدوير إعادة تصنيعات استخدام ونخلي الكوكب نظيف يا أصدقائي. After this, what you should do after you clean? Finish? Okay, let's do it. Let's close the dustbin. أغلق سلة المهملات. Bravo! African parrots can mimic the sounds. يقلدوا الأصوات. At the same time, they can talk. So this parrot will talk to you. Listen, please. اسمعوا لو سمحتم. Maria, the awesome trainer, how are you, magician?
Fine, thank you. Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon. Big boy, what's your name?
What is your name?
Coco, nice name. Coco in Dubai, what is the first words we have to say to the people in Arabic?
Hello in Arabic.
Wa alaikum salam. What do you want to ask everybody here?
Buddy, how are you? How are you?
We're doing good. What about the morning?
How about the morning? Morning.
Good morning, Coco. Can you tell us who's your best friend? Cat, who's the one take your food and run away every day? Dog. Coco, be honest with me. Khalid Sarif mine. When you look at Dubai and see Burj Khalifa, what you will say? Coco, imagine all the kids' birthday is today. What you will wish them? Thank you so much. And now you'll go back home. What you say to everybody?
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Thank you, Coco. Thank you, Mariam. Shukran jazeelan. Thank you. All the way. Thanks to Halapa. Hold. Catch. But you have to come like this. And you go back. Catch from here.